Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you how to find projection of a vector on other vector and projection vector of one vector on or along other vector. Okay. So see, projection of one vector on other vector. See, let A and B are two vectors. Let A and B are two vectors. Angle between them is theta. Okay. So, projection of this vector A on B vector, if we want to find, then how? Just see. If there is a vector A, it means it has some magnitude, and its magnitude let be A, and its direction is along this way. So, let from here to here its magnitude. So, from its tip point, let draw a normal on other one. This is normal. So, whatever the distance it covers along this B vector, that is projection. Means from here to here, this is your vector B. From here to here, this is your projection of vector A on vector B. See, this is your projection. Then how can you find this value? If this is 90 degree and from here to here this is magnitude is A, so this will be considered as base of this right angle triangle. So base upon hypotenuse means this projection upon this A is equal to cos theta. So this projection will be equal to A cos theta. So this will be equal to A cos theta. So projection of A on B, A cos theta. Similarly, projection of B vector on A vector. So how will you find? Suppose this is your A vector, this is your A vector, and this is your B vector. Now this is your vector B, its magnitude is B, its magnitude A, and this is your vector A. Vector means having magnitude A, is this length is A and this is direction. So if we project it in vector form, it means here magnitude and direction both, and here its magnitude is A. If you have to find projection of this vector B on A, means from here B you need to draw a normal on it. So from here to here only this time, this is your projection of B on A. So this is your B cos theta. Okay, this is your B cos theta. Right. So on A will be equal to B cos theta. Now see, if you have to find the projection of vector A on vector B, it means you have to find A cos theta, means magnitude of vector A, and thereafter you need to find angle between them, theta, then you can put here A cos theta. So in vector form without calculating theta, let's see how can you find this projection. Since you know projection of vector A on vector B is equal to A cos theta. Okay, equation number 2. But also we know that what we know, just see, since you know by the dot product A dot B is equal to, as you know, in my previous lecture we have already explained dot product of two vectors. So A dot B is equal to A B cos theta. A is magnitude of first vector A, and B is magnitude of vector B. Cos theta, theta is angle between A and B, already you know. So what you require? You required A cos theta. Okay, A cos theta. So from here, this equation second. So it implies that A cos theta is equal to what? Magnitude of A dot vector B divided by magnitude b. You know, therefore it implies that projection of vector A on vector B is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by B. So see, your conclusion is that if you have to find projection of a vector along other vector or on other vector, then you have to find dot product of those two vectors divided by the magnitude of that vector along which or on which you are going to find projection. A dot B on B. Similarly, projection of B vector now on A vector, what can you write? Vector A dot vector B upon this time mod of A, magnitude of A. Since on A means divide by A, on B means divide by magnitude of that vector. Here on A vector means divided by magnitude of A vector. Here on B vector you are going to find projection, so divided by magnitude of B vector. In numerator, in both of them, either you have to find projection of A vector or projection of B vector, you have to find A dot B in numerator. Now what's about projection vectors? Now projection vector. See, projection is giving you magnitude of this A along B. Magnitude means component of it. But if you want to represent it means projection in vector form along with direction, then that is called projection vector. See how? Projection vector of A vector along B vector, that means projection means this same projection, that projection is vector A dot vector B upon B. This is your magnitude projection. Dot into means without dot and cross, since this is a magnitude, and direction means along B, so direction that will be B k. Since this projection is along B, so in vector form what is notation? Along with direction. So direction, to show the direction we take a unit vector along which we are going to find projection. So along B vector means take here direction, that is along B. For showing the direction we take unit vector. That's why it will be B k. Okay. So simplifying it, how can we write? A dot B vector, A and B vectors both will definitely be given, divided by B. B is the magnitude of your vector B, and this B cap we can write vector B upon magnitude B. So it will be equal to vector A dot vector B dividing by B square, and here B vector. So this is your projection vector of A vector along vector B. Projection vector of A along vector B. Similarly, projection vector of vector B along vector A. So projection vector of B along vector A, how? Just see, A dot B, it's necessary, upon along B, along A this time, so A square and here vector B. Okay, along A means here vector A upon A square. Means since we are taking A cap is vector A upon modulus of A vector. Okay, so this is another. Now I am taking one example to find projection that will be more clear from example. Okay. There is a question that find the projection of vector A. Vector A is I cap minus 2j cap plus k. Now find the projection of vector A is this on the vector B, that is given by 4 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 7 k cap. Here see, question is that find the projection of vector A, not projection vector. Here it is given that find the projection of this on this. So projection of vector A on vector B is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by on B, so modulus of that vector. Simple formula since we have written here. For projection of A on B means A dot B upon B. Projection of B on A dot B upon B. Projection vector of A on B, A dot B upon B square, here B vector. Projection vector of B on A, so A dot B upon A square, A vector. Okay. So by using this formula, what can we write? A dot B, dot product of these two, I with I, 4, J with J, minus minus plus, 4 to the 8, plus 7, divided by modulus of D vector, under root 4 square means coefficient, sum of square of coefficients of I, J and K. So for D vector, 4, 4 is 16, minus 4, plus minus 4 whole square, again 16, plus 14. So this will give you what? 19 divided by under root what? 32 plus 49. So 19 upon under root what? 11. This. So 19 upon 9. This is a projection vector of A vector on B. This is your answer. 19 by 9. Okay. So in this question, you need to find projection. Now another question. Find the vector projection of B on A. Find in another question. In another question, it is find the vector projection of B on A. Vector projection. Vector projection of B on A, where vector A is I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and vector B is 7I cap plus j cap minus 3k. See, vector projection of B on A. So, vector projection here, vector projection of B on A, this will be vector A dot vector B divided by on A means modulus of A square and here vector A. Okay, vector A. So it's simple. A dot B, 7 on the 7, plus minus minus 2 minus 3 divided by modulus of A square means under root 1 square plus 2 square 4 plus 1 square. Okay, here under root this whole square means this one only. Here into vector A. Vector A is I minus 2j plus k. See what will you get? Here 6 and here 7 minus 5, 2. I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Here 1 by 3 I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So see, this is your vector projection of B on A. Not only projection, so that's why it is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity. Vector projection is a vector quantity and projection is only a magnitude, that means it is a scalar quantity. Right now, so vector projection a vector quantity, only projection a scalar quantity. Right. So some more examples. One more question. Here language is different. If vector A, you are given vector A. If vector A is 4I cap plus 6j cap, okay, and vector B is 3I j cap plus 4k cap. See here plus 0k cap you can write, here 0I cap you can write, okay. So you are given two vector A and B. Here question is that if vector A and vector B are this and this, find the vector form of the component A along B. Here of vector form of component of A along B. What do you mean by it? Vector form of component of A along B. Projection is nothing but it is a component. So vector form of that component means vector form of the projection. It means what? That projection vector. Vector form of component means projection vector or vector projection. Okay. So of A along B. So this will be equal to vector A dot vector B upon along B. So B square vector B. Very simple. Along or on, that will come here and its square, magnitude square will be here. A dot B will come every time. So this will give you A dot B. I with I 0, here K with K 0, 6 3 18 divided by magnitude of B square and 3 square 9 plus 16, 4 square 16 under root 4 square, means this one only, and B vector, that is 3j cap plus 4k cap, 3j cap plus 4k cap. This implies 18 upon 25, okay, into 3j cap plus 4k cap. This is of projection of A along B in vector form. Projection of A in B along vector form. In this way you can solve all questions from exercise 22A from your book. All topics are clear now. In next video I will explain you vector or cross product. Thank you so much.